Uy, andyan na pala kayo, highlighters. Wait, subo ko lang to ah. Sabi ko lang. Diba? Jollibee pa rin. This 2025. By the way, Happy New Year, highlighters! And it's Leo here. Welcome back for another highlight. Yan. And you know that syempre hindi tayo nagpapahuli sa chismis since there's a new Jollibee Kids Meal. Yan. Diba? Sobrang aga. January 1, 2025, we're going to do unboxing video ng newest toys. Yan. And I'm so excited. There are a total of 5 toys to collect from this set. And let's do the unboxing. Nyo kanina, mukbang video na, no? Siyempre hindi. Since we're going to unbox pa rin new toys, collection, and then the like this 2025. Yan. And by the way, thank you, highlighters, for staying with me up to this time. Yan. And we're about closer na sa 11,000 subscriber here sa YouTube. And we're 8,000 na followers, or let me say subscriber, sa TikTok. Yan. Yay! Yan. And for this time around, the toys are Jollibee Fun Blocks. Yan. And there are a total of 5. Actually, I have an extra Jollibee. I bought total of 6 kiddie meal this time. Well, syempre, di ba? Sobra natin si Jollibee. Yan. So, wait. I'll just get the toys and let's do the unboxing video. Okay. So, let's start first with Yum. Okay? I'll just set this aside. Okay. And I'll just, ayan, no need for scissors. Okay. And what's written on the instructions that lay down all the educational stock pieces, have fun stacking, and learn shapes, number, and alphabet. Yan. By the way, this is Yum Stack of Fun Blocks. Yan. Okay. Diba? Sayang na wala pa rin si Chomp sa Jollibee and Friends collection ng Jollibee Kids Meal. Hopefully, ilabas na nila para total of 6 na yung bibili natin lagi. And actually, these toys are neat, And educational din. Diba? Hindi lang siya for actually kids. Kids at heart like us, highlighters, diba? And it's so cute. Nice. Hindi siya yung the usual stickers lang since 3B siya. Oh, nice. And here's the side-by-side. Okay. Sana nagustuhan nyo rin yung new pag-take ko ng video. Yan. Mas okay ba? Okay. Okay. So, let's open this one. So, we're going to open. Oops, sorry. Okay. And these are the, wait, what do you call this one? Educational stack pieces. Okay. Okay. So, there are total of, yan, so nice, oh. And it's an hollow cube. And, okay. So, each stack, there's a letter A. Yan. There's a shape. I think this is a shape, yeah. It's a shape, number, and another shape. Same with the other stack. Okay. Okay. So, please bear with me, highlighter, since medyo nanibago ko. Ang tagal kong gumawa ng full video again since puro shorts, diba? And na-busy tayo sa holiday season. Siyempre, back na tayo to normal. Okay, so how would you play this game? So, we need to stack these stacks, the educational stacks, from the largest to the smallest. Okay. So, here's the largest, the color red. So, let's choose the number 4. Okay. So, here's the guide, by the way. So, if ever your kid doesn't know how to arrange the size or the shape from largest to smallest, here's the guide. Okay. Or you could choose the, yan. Oh, it's a mathematical equation, I think. Wait, let me check. Or no, it's just a shape. Okay. So, mas madali kasi dito yung numbers, kaya yun. And here's the number 4. So, syempre, number 3 yung next. Okay. Di ba, ang saya since hindi lang yung thinking skills na lang yung since pati yung, anong tawag yung motor skills, di ba, na may stack nala one by one. Okay. Then next is the number 2, the color green. Okay. And the number 1, here you go. So nice, ang neat. Di ba? So this is the Yam Stack of Fun blocks. Di ba? So nice looking, so nice, so neat to play with, and so educational. Okay, we're done with the first toy. Oh, by the way, it's Yum underneath the cube. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let's set this aside muna again, and let's choose which one we're going to unbox. Okay, I think better babae naman. It's Hetty. Hey, yan. Hetty quiz blocks. Okay, so excited what this is. Okay. O, diba, no need na to, to cut. And ang ganda, hindi na siya box. Nakakamiss kasing ganitong plastic, diba? And actually, after playing with these toys, after unboxing, I'm returning it kasi sa plastic. Kaya, yun. Kaya mas okay yung ganito, na mas may sticky lang siya. So, here's a closer look. Yan. So, here's Hetty. Uy, kita, detailed siya. Except dun sa pinaka-logo nila, like here kay wala, natatakpan naman yung kay Yum. So, here's Hetty. Okay? So, yun. May ganito sa mga sides niya. Wait, let's check. Oh, and letter siya. Ito naman letter D, C, Ang cute. Mga, talaga, mga building blocks. Okay. And, okay. So, upon opening Hetty, you can see this cardboards. Okay. So, let me tear this apart lang muna. Or you will need scissors, I think. Parang ayokong gupitin. Wait, let me check kung kaya naman yung ganito lang. Okay. So, how would you play this one? Wait. Wait. Let's read the instruction first. Insert the flashcards on all 4 sides. Then slide the panels to reveal the answer. Oh, it's a quiz game nga kasi actually. So again, so we need to insert it. Oh, okay. So wait, I'll not cut the the paper, but I'll just show you how will you play this one. Okay. So here's the first one, first example. So you're going to ask your kids or your playmates, yan, or your brothers and sisters, which color is this one, diba? So it's color red and color blue, diba? By the way, I'm wearing a moose-colored inspired shirt, so sana swertehin pa this 2025 since it's the color of the year, the color moose. Shade naman niya, diba? So, yan. And let's check if we're right. So, let's reveal the answer in 1, 2, 3. Yun. Color red and color blue. So, yan. Diba? So, may mga colors siya. Then, may shapes din. Wait. Ito naman. The other card. Yan. By the way, the proper way on playing this one is that you need to cut down the cardboards. But, I'm choosing it to retain it this way. Yan. Yan. Pwede nyo ilagay siya sa lahat ng sides. Okay. So, first yan. So, A for what? Yan. A for apple. Oh, so nice. Diba? Di ba? Makapaglaro kayo with your, sa mga friends nyo na mga younger siblings and then the like, di ba? And may mga shapes din. Hindi na kasi kasha actually. And yan, may parts ng ears. Wait, isa-isahin na natin yung cards. Yan, shapes. Ito, fingers and dog. May animals. So, may book, may bagay din. Yan, color, the letter, apple, the cat, the ear, and the shapes. Yan. So, this is Hetty Quiz Blocks. So nice, diba? So educational talaga. And oops, before we proceed with the next toy, before we set this aside, yan, turuan nyo rin yung mga younger sisters or self nyo. Yan, naitabi ulit, syempre, yan. O, like this one, at least nila yung makalap. Diba? Wait, hindi na siya kasya. Wait lang. Ganon. Diba? O, yan. Oh, diba? Like, there's nothing happened. Okay. So, let's proceed with the next one. Here's Jollibee! Yay! Yan. By the way, here's Jollibee 3D Puzzle Blocks. Yan. O, diba? Nagustuhan niyo na ba si si Yum and Hetty? Wait, there's more. There are a total of 3 pa that we're going to unbox. Yan. So, how would you play this one? Okay, lay down all the puzzle piece and solve the cube puzzle by connecting all blocks. Yan. So, this is a test of patience. Wait, before we tawag dito, disassemble the blocks or the cube, let me show you first the closer look. Baka hindi na kasi natin mabuo. Basta tayo mahirapan. Diba? Oh, here's Jollibee. And here's the letter A. Yan. And yan. Ito yung mga shapes niya. Okay. So, how would you play this one? So, first, syempre, let's disassemble muna yung mga puzzle. So, by the way, if you're afraid to disassemble these blocks, yan, there's a guide here. Yan, there's an answer. Yan, oh. So, kung ano yung first mong gagamitin, numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and kung saan position po siya. Okay. And, syempre, matapang tayo. So, let's see. And, yan. So, sige. Let's set a timer for about, sa tingin mo, ilang minuto? Huwag naman 5 minutes. Siguro, let me set about 2 minutes if we're going to complete this blocks. Yan, wait. I'm just setting the timer for 2 minutes. Or 2 minutes, I think. Better, 2 minutes. 2. Yan, okay. 2, nakita nyo ba? 2. 2. Hey, yan. So, let's start in 1, 2, 3. Yan. Umaandar na. Okay. O, diba? Medyo mahirap siya. Wait lang. Paano nga ba ito? Baka wala tayong mabuo. Uy, nakakahiya. Baka wala akong mabuo. Wait lang. Okay. Alam, mahirap. Basta, it's a test of patience. Okay? May numbers siya, pero di ba kahit na? Check natin. Without checking the numbers or looking at the numbers kung mabubuo natin. Hello. First time ko magbuo ng ganito. Wait, mali ito. Wait, iibaba natin. Baka mas okay siya. Oops! Tama ba siya? Mali. Wait nga, let's check muna sa first one, number 1. Ano ba yung number 1? May number ba? Wala palang number, sorry. Ayan. Okay. Sige, wag tayo magpanic. Pag nagka-panic tayo, hindi natin mabubuo. Okay. Oops! Sorry na. Wait. Hello. Wait lang. 2 minutes. 2 minutes kung mabubuo natin. Let's check. Oops. Alam, mali. Alam, mahirap siya. Pati kayo kakabahan. Lalo na kung may timer pala. Nakaka-pressure siya. Okay. Kasi kung wala tayong timer, baka abutin tayo ng anong oras. Yun, wait. Kamali siya ng pasok. Wait, ayan na. Oh, yun. Last 2. Hala. Hala. Mali. Paano ba to? Wala na. Timer has already finished. Yan. So, sakto naman dito sa side na to. Then dito, may butas. Pero kasi, hollow yung gitna. So, yun, sa sides lang po talaga siya dapat. Okay, diba? So, white flag tayo. Let's check the instruction muna. Yan. So, number 1. So, here's the number 1 shape. Wait. Ito ba? Wait, or ito. Yeah, number 1. Ito daw, number 1. So, number 5. Syempre, number 2 muna. So, the number 2. Here ba? Yung number 2. O, diba? Number 2. Check natin kung tama. Yan, number 2. Then, number 3. Okay. Here go. Parang may ano pa rin. Ang hirap pa rin niya. Wait, ito yung number 2. 3. The number, wait nga. Ulit nga. O, diba? Na-pressure na ako kasi kaharap ko kayo highlighters. Number 1 ito. Number 1. Yan, sige. Para if ever nalilito rin kayo, you could use this as your guide. Number 1 ito. Number 2, ito daw. Okay. Okay, here's the number 3. Okay. Yan. Then the number 4, yung letter. Wait, the number 4 pala to. Number 3, ito. Ulit. Okay. Here's the number 1, number 2. Tama ba? No, mali. Wait, nakakalito rin kasi yung shapes niya. This is the number 6. Wait, ulit nga natin. Wait, fast forward yun na lang, ha? Okay, yan. Already arranged this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order. Here's the number 1. Okay. Parang aso. Number 2. Yan, parang dinosaur na sumipa. Number 3, the letter T, 'di ba? Number 4, ano to? Parang baril. Number 5, ano to? Dinosaur ulit. And number 6, it's a ladder. So let's get the number 1. Ganito siya. Okay. Then number 2, paano siya? Dito ata siya. Okay. Yan. So we're down with the second. With the third one, here's the number 3. Ikot nyo to. Okay. Yan. Hey. The number 4. Yun. Yee. Then the number 5. Ito yung number 5. Dinosaur. Wait, paano to? Number 4. Oops, ganito daw siya. Yan. And the last one. Yay! And let's get the cover na bago pa masira. Okay. So, yan. We're done building the blocks of Jollibee. O, diba? Pinagpawisan ako dun. So, again, dapat pala paggawa dito, hindi kayo magpapanik. Pangalawa, dapat you need to arrange it in order muna or check muna yung mga shapes. Yan. And third, if ever nasuko na talaga kayo, check nyo yung cheat code. So, yan. Kahit ako adult, nahirapan, what more pa mga kids, no? Pero syempre, nandito tayo para to guide them. Okay. I have fun with this toy. Here's the Jollibee 3D puzzle blocks. Di ba? Tumagal tayo dito. Okay. So, next one. Yan. Siyempre, I have an extra. Kala nyo Next, here's Churly. Churly Slider Puzzle Block C. Yan. So, paano siya? Let's check. Yan. Okay. Diba? By the way, this is already released starting today. Up until, I'm not sure when. Hopefully, until January 31 lang para if ever, February may new toys. Pero I think 1 to 2 months kasi siya per toy. So, yan. Churly. Sa Jollibee, wala nakalagay. Kay Hetty din wala na nakalagay. Anyway, basta yun, Churly. Si Jollibee wala din. Anyway, yan. So, same thing. May ganito lang siya dito. So, paano kaya siya nilalaro? Oh, ang cute! Oops! There's a small parts. Wait, nalaglag siya. Kunin ko. Okay. Diba? Commercial muna tayo. Commercial break. Yan. So, may mga small parts yan. So, sa mga kids, please be aware na delikado to pag na-swallow nyo. Pwede malagay sa nose. No? So, bantayan yung mga kids nyo. And what's great about this one kasi talaga is that may organizer. May lagayan siya. Diba? So, hindi siya yung sabog-sabog after playing. And there's a stickers. So, lalagay natin siya dito. Siyempre, lagay natin. Okay. Peel up. Nakalagay naman dito, peel up. And place sticker shapes on the same color tokens. Okay. Siyempre, blue for blue. Red for red. Siyempre. And orange for orange. Okay. So, let me stick first the stickers. Okay. Okay, we're done with the color blue. Next up, color orange. And the red color. May dapat ganyan lang pala siya ha. Stick nyo lang siya dito, lalagay nyo lang. Simple as that one. Para malabelan yung each buttons. Yan. By the way, I have not read pa yung instructions on how would you play this one. So, wait lang. Lagay lang muna natin yung stickers. Okay. Last one. Yes, we're done sticking the stickers. Let's put the sticker sheet here. And yon. Okay. So, wait, let's read the instructions. Place the sticker shapes on the same color token. Then once we're done placing it, solve the puzzle by sliding the shape tokens to match Twirly's challenge cards. So it will take another time na naman. It's a test of patience. Wait. So, lagay lang natin itong mga to muna dito. So, insert. Yan. Tama ba? Okay. Yan. Okay. Sige. So, in random na lang natin ilagay. Para masaya. Okay. Para mahirapan tayo later. Okay. By the way, no cheating ha. So, yan. Best game ever, sabi ni Hetty. So, yan. So, again, you need to cut down all this one. Yan, nakalagay best game ever, have fun. Great job, let's play, let's play. Get it, literally. And here's the shape color combination. So, again, you need to cut this one, but ayokong i-cut ngayon. So, syempre, let's choose this, one. Okay. So, in order to play this one, you need to match, match the pattern seen below. So, first daw, ito dapat. Second, ito. Third one, ito. So, ang problema natin, itong color, tawag dito, red na sa baba, tas blue lang dito daw. So, ang hirap niya. So, again, you need to, yan. Hindi nyo siya tatanggalin, ha? I-move nyo lang siya side by side. Yan. O, diba? Yan. Para umangat siya isa-isa. Okay? Yan. Ganyan po siya. Okay. So, sige, pababain natin. Kasi mahirap pa dito, hindi lang yung color. Diba? May mga shapes pa. Dapat in order siya. So, itong triangle dapat daw nandito. Papuntahin lang natin dun yung triangle. Sige. Or hindi. Palitan ko na lang yung diamond. Or hindi. Sa baba lang to. O, bahala, check natin. Basta mapapunta natin yung sa baba, yung color red. Wait, ha? Check natin. Okay. Yan, diba? Ang ilang oras nyo kaya ito gagawin? Diba? Mahirap siya. Wait, isa lang. Kahit isa lang. Wait lang, highlighters. Diyan lang kayo, ha? Kaya maiinit. Tapos, again, no cheating. Walang magtatanggal sa ano, ha? Walang magtatanggal ng mga buttons. Actually, mahirap siya. O yun, pwede nyo itodo. So, yan. First one. Dapat triangle kasi nandito. Pero hindi eh. Sige, papuntayin natin yung red muna dito muna. Wait. Wait, ayan. Ala. Ala, nagkabangga-bangga na. Wait, dapat first, dapat yung diamond. Kahit isang tama lang. Ala. Ang hirap. Wait lang. Yan. Rectangle dito na sa gitna. Yan. Basta may red na tayo sa gitna. So, wait last, siguro, last, let's set the timer. Last 1 minute. Yan. 1 minute, set na. Check natin kung kaya natin papuntahin doon. Siguro 1 hour natin to isa-solve. Hala! Ano ba to? Wait, nakaka-pressure kasi actually pag nanonood kayo. Yan. Nagpalusot po si Leo. Hala! Wala pa akong naitama. Paano makapunta yung triangle doon? Wait na. Wait lang. Oops. Pamuntahin ko lang siya di. Wait na yan. Sige. Ayun. Wait lang. Mukhang makapunta natin sa triangle. Yay! Ala, nag-stuck pa. Yes! Hihi! 1 point. Then the square. Ala, nandito yung square. Paano ba yan? Square. Wait. Yan, square. Oops. Timer has finished. Yan. So, upon checking this one, so check natin kung tama. Diba? Triangle dito, tama. O, dapat mali rin dito, mali rin doon, and mali rin dito. So, yan. Ang hirap niya. So, again, no cheating ha. Hindi nyo siya tatanggalin. I-move nyo lang siya sa side. Papatabihin nyo dito in the corners para ma-move yung mga shapes. Diba? So, nice. Actually, hindi lang siya for kids, pang adult trend. Diba? Yan. Pero sana wag kayo ma-stress. Yan. Once again, here's twirly slider puzzle blocks. Yan. So, that's the purpose of this one. You need to slide all the blocks in order to solve the problem. Yan. Okay. And last but not the least, yan. Hinuli ko siya kasi pampawala ng stress to. Here's Popo Pop-It Fidget Blocks. Yan. Wait, pinagpawisan tuloy na naman ako. So, yan. After natin ma-stress ng bonggang-bongga. kay Twirly and kay Jollibee. Hinuli pa natin yung dalawang mahirap, no? Wait, let's read muna the, instruction. Have fun playing the relaxing Pop-It Fidget by pressing down the round balls. Press the back button to revert the fidget ball back. For extra fun, play a mini pinball maze game. Oh, diba? O, hindi siya natatanggal si Popo, but here's the closer look. Yan. And here's Popo. And here's the button para bumalik yung fidget. Fidget ba tawag? Tama? Ang tawag doon yung relaxing pop it fidget. Yan. And you need to push this one, yung basketball, para lumabas yung mga fidget. Cool. Then, diba? Nakakawala ng stage. Parang ka nagano ng bubble wrap. Diba? Wait, parang need mo to habang nagwo-work, o diba? Kahit adult natutuwa dito. Ay, wait lang, parang saya paglaruan. Parang ito yung pinaka-enjoy ko, diba? Kaya ako hinuli. Saktong hinuli ko siya. Isa pa. Hala, nakaka-addict. Ang sarap maglaro mo. Diba? Isa pa. Okay. And on the other side, may maze. Yan. So, you need to put the ball here sa gitna. So, check natin. Okay, closer look. Wait, let's set the timer first. Yan, 1 minute. Ready, go. Need natin papuntahin dun yung ball. Yan, dapat mabalance nyo siya. Yan, di ba? First round pa lang, hirap na. Hala. Oops. Di ba? Nagbabibrate. Ano ba yan? Hala. Parang na-stress ako bigla. Wait lang ha. Yun. Uy, nakalock. Wala tayong dadaanan. Labas ulit tayo. Dapat dito siya. 1 minute lang ha. Parang need natin 1 hour. Yun. Tapos dito. Yuhun. Last one. Hello. Dapat dahan-dahan. Yes! And allow. Tapos na yung timer. Pero let's try. Wait lang ha. Let's try lang. Kung malulusot natin dito. 1, 2, 3. Yan! Okay. So, yan. We're done. Pero past 1 minute tayo. Yan, we're done playing the pinball maze. Wait lang, isa pa ulit na papag-digit. Yan. Medyo na-stress tayo dun. Wala tayo na ipanalo this time. Grabe. Yan. Anyway, again, here's Popo Pop-Up Fidget. Okay. So, let's start again sa pangpindot. Okay. So, yan. So, let's stack these blocks. Check natin kung magawa. Ang nice, oh. Nice. Pwede. Ihi. Ang cool. Kaya lang sabi, kulang. No? Sana pala ginawa talaga na lang total of ano. Siguro kay Popo, ayan. Hindi ba? Pero pwede naman rin dito na si Popo. Yan. Para proportion siya. Okay, once again. Yan, sorry, hindi ko memorize yung names. But here's, wait. Isa-isay natin yung mga names. Wait, sa isang sheet lang pala kaya na. Here's Twirly, Slider, Puzzle Blocks. Here's Young, Stack of Fun Blocks. Here's Hetty, Quiz Blocks, Jollibee, 3D Puzzle Blocks, and Popo Pop It Fidget Blocks. Yan. So, syempre, before we end this video, I'm going to ask you first, which one is your favorite among all 5? Yan. They're so cool. They're so nice to play with. At alam niyo naman, pinagpawisan tayo, nahihirapan tayo. First day ng January, pinahirapan tayo ng Jollibee Toys. Yan. Pero for me, pinaka-nice to play with, siguro na nag-enjoy ako na subtle lang siya, na okay lang, is yung pwede pang adult si Popo. Yan. Hindi ba? Ang cool kasi nung yun, nakakawala siya ng stress. Pero nahirapan po tayo talaga. Actually, hindi si Jollibee Ang pinakamahirap po talagang laruin ngayon for this time around, si Twirly. Kasi slider siya na puzzle na hindi niyo siya pwedeng tuklapin. Dapat i-move-move nyo lang. So, it will take time talaga to finish it. But sobrang educational naman ni Hetty any yum, 'di ba? Ito yung quiz, 'di ba? And ito naman yung stock, 'di ba? Yung mga letters and shapes. Yan. So wait, si Popo na wala. Yan. So that's it, highlighters. 'Di ba? Happy New Year! Yes, more collection to come this year. And hopefully nag-enjoy kayo makipaglaro today sa akin, highlighters. Yan. By the way, it's Leo here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye!